this video, we will share important information about how your academic performance can affect your financial aid eligibility. Since Mid-Michigan college students receive financial aid from the federal government, we are required to have guidelines in place defining students' Satisfactory Academic Progress, or SAP. For full details, you can check out the Staying Eligible tab at midmich.edu/finaid, but we will provide you an overview in this video. There are three components to SAP: grade point average, or GPA, completion ratio, or the number of credits you have attempted to complete, maximum time frame, or the amount of credits you have taken to finish your degree. MID's SAP guidelines require that you maintain at least a 2.0 cumulative GPA with a C average and complete at least 67% of the credits you attempt. Completed credits are those where students earn a D- or higher. Classes that you fail or withdraw from are not considered completed. If your cumulative grade point average is below 2.0 and/or your completion rate is below 67%, you will be placed on financial aid warning for 1 semester. You are eligible to use financial aid for this semester. This gives you the opportunity to return to the required SAP standards. If you are still below a 2.0 GPA and/or 67% completion rate, at the end of your warning semester, you will become ineligible for your financial aid at mid. If this occurs, there is an opportunity to appeal to regain your eligibility if you had documentable mitigating circumstances that were out of your control during the semester or the semesters you were unsuccessful. If you find you need to write an appeal, please contact the financial aid office for assistance with the process. If you do not have grounds for an appeal, you would have to pay for classes out of pocket or use private funding, such as personal loans from a bank or credit union at mid, until you return to a 2.0 GPA and 67% completion rate. The final component of SAP, maximum time frame, means that you can receive financial aid for up to 150% or 1.5 times the number of credits it takes to earn the degree. For example, if completing your degree requires 62 credits, you would only receive financial aid for 1.5 times 62 credits, which is 93 credits total. You must be within the maximum time frame credit limit, earning a 2.0 cumulative GPA, and completing at least 67% of the credits you attempt in order to remain eligible for financial aid, including Pell Grants and student loans. Financial aid is also only available for courses that are included in your program of study. Your mid mentor can help you select classes that are part of your degree and will be covered by financial aid. Long story short, SAP can be a complex concept to understand, and it can have a huge impact on your college career. Even if you are not using financial aid now, you are still being held to SAP standards and need to meet them in order to be eligible to use financial aid in the future. We want to see you succeed and keep your financial aid eligibility during your whole college career. So please, ask the financial aid office or your mentor any questions you have pertaining to your successful completion of classes. Best wishes on your educational journey at mid.